title. There's a few students on there first, so.
Diploma degrees. We offer about 88 plus qualifications within our college. And then we've got 726 plus staff complements, which is there at your service and to support you in your undergraduate and your postgraduate learning. I show here the college management structure in the college in which you will be placed in should you choose any of our qualifications in science, engineering and technology. This is a college that is led by Executive Dean of College, Professor Belimanda, supporting you with your Deputy Executive Dean, Professor Simi Dube. You will see on the left-hand side various heads of studies and head of research and clinical studies, all the way down to our college administrators. We also have directors of school that sits within the college, as we have the schools currently, the School of Science, the School of Engineering, as well as the School of Computing. This is where you will be placed should you enroll in our undergraduate qualifications. We also have got research institutes within the college. This is the Institute for Nanotechnology and Data Sustainability. We've got the Institute for Catalysis and Energy Solutions, as well as the Center for Augmented Intelligence and Data Sciences. These are institutes where our postgraduate students, the MBAs, can take up research under these research institutes. Our mission at CSET is to provide our learners an enabling environment for advancing science, technology, and engineering knowledge. But not just any knowledge, knowledge that is nationally responsive and globally relevant. As shown on the screen, UNISA currently boasts of 372,460 registered students, and of that, 19,600.
Thank you very much, our students. While I'm waiting for questions to be asked, I am going to answer some of the questions that I think you might be raising. I have submitted my applications and I have not received feedback. What it is the problem? When you submit your application, please ensure that you pay the minimum application fee of 135 rands. Also ensure that you submit all supporting documents. The second most popular question that we get is, my friend has received an offer and I have not received an offer. The issue is, you and your friend might have applied for two different qualifications. There are qualifications which have got the scarce scale, like in your College of Engineering and Science. Those applicants are not subjected to the ranking or any weight because they are from the scarce skills. What we normally do, we grant them an offer immediately because the demand in those qualifications is not much. However, your friend might have applied for a qualification which falls under the College of Education or the College of Law. Unfortunately, may have to wait up until we process those applications in those qualifications, because though the applicants of those qualifications are subjected to the ranking or enrollment management that has been approved by the council and our executive management. The students who meet the admission requirements of the popular qualifications, they are subjected to this ranking where they compete for spaces, and our system offers them spaces taking into account a number of factors that have been built into the system. One will also ask a question that I have applied at UNISA, but I have not received any feedback at all. What we normally do is we communicate with our applicants via the email addresses that they have provided to us when they submit their applications. Please ensure that you keep on checking the email that you have provided to us when you submit your application. Also, if you are a returning student and you have submitted your application, The university send all its correspondence through to your My Life email, which start with your student number. So if you go in there, you will realize that the communications or the correspondence have been sent. However, in some instances, we do communicate with the applicants via the SMSs, where we send the reminders through the SMSs for the student to register before the closing date, or to submit the applications before closing date, or to accept an offer before the 10 days that has been granted and approved. Please take note that if you have not submitted all your required documents and you have not paid the minimum application fee that it is required, your application is incomplete and it will not be processed. The other question is, which we normally get, I have applied in the past, paid the minimum application fee. Do I pay again the minimum application fee when I submit my application? The answer to this question is, you do not pay the application fee if you have applied previously and paid your application fee. We will use the once-off application fee which you have paid in the past to process your application. Then come to the popular registrations questions that we are getting. I have submitted my registration before the closing date and my registration was cancelled. Please take note that when you submit your registration, you will get an auto-generated letter or system-generated letter which will outline the number of modules that you have chosen and the minimum fee that you need to pay in order for your registrations to be activated. If you do not pay the minimum registration fee before the closing date of registration, your registration will be cancelled. The registration is not active or finalized up until a stage where you pay a minimum registration fee. One of also the most popular questions that we get it is, someone logged in on my UNISA account, cancelled my module. Please ensure that you do not share or write down your My UNISA password when you utilize internet cafe for you to check your statuses. That will compromise your password, of which strangers may access your account and cancel the modules on your behalf. Ensure that in an event where you become aware that your My UNISA account has been compromised, you inform the university immediately. Our contact details via UNISA Contact Center, they are there on our website where you can get in touch with us so that we can ensure that we take the measures to safeguard your studies. There are some of the people who indicate that they apply on behalf of the students or register on behalf of the student and charge a fee. Our applications process and registration process, it is very simple, where each and every student can easily do through reading the steps which are published in our website. The university advises you to apply on your own and register on your own, as you will take responsibility of the outcome of those applications or registration. These are the most popular questions that we currently get. Thank you very much.
We also have taken up the aviation and aeronautical studies as a category area that looks into the